Hey, Chris here. Thanks for joining me on this video where we go over Scale Model World 2025 at Telford. And what a weekend it was. It was fantastic. It was great to meet up with old friends, new faces, people I've been speaking to for a long time. Been able to meet them for the first time in person. It's a great weekend, spending a lot of time with a lot of friends and just checking out some of the quality builds on show. Now, there was a lot of quality builds on show on the tables in the halls, but the competition area, oh my goodness, it was incredible. What I've done, I didn't get much footage because actually I spent quite a lot of time just socialising with a lot of friends, had a wicked time. So to you guys watching and we spent a lot of time over the weekend, thank you very much. You know, to Gaz, Dan, Chris, James, and then people like Crow and Dave and everyone over on the Hot Rod and Custom SIG and anyone else in between. And yeah, no, it was a wicked weekend, really was. Had a fantastic time, spent a lot of money, well worth it. Very long, very tiresome, but again worth it. And if you've never been to Telford, so the Scale Model World exhibition, it's fantastic. Yeah, really good. Also, a massive thank you to Gaz for this wicked t-shirt, and also a massive thank you to Dan because he also sent me a t-shirt as well. What I want to do is just drop in a few pictures of some of the goodies that I received and some of the goodies that I picked up for myself. I've even delved into the world of AK paints. I picked up some the new play markers and some of the AK 3rd gen paints, you know, just for a bit of a palette cleanser, you know. So if we're doing things like, you know, a little space marine, just, you know, in between builds when you just want to wind down, something easy, not stressful. And so yeah, I picked up some new paints to try, some new little bits and bobs, and I'm really looking forward to it. So yeah, great weekend. I've come back full of, you know, so stimulated from seeing all the wicked stuff on display. And so yeah, so I tried to put a little video together of what little footage I did take. So yeah, thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoy what you see. There is a full competition winners video on the IPMS UK channel. So if you want to head over to there, and it's got all the class winners, so it's gold, silvers, bronzes, finalists, and commended. So yeah, honestly, head over there because the quality across all, I think it's 96 classes, it's just phenomenal. So yeah, no, thanks for joining. Take care of yourselves. See you next time. All the best.